beautiful friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you to make arroz con salchicha, which is rice with hot dogs. I love this. I grew up eating this. It's the best way to use leftover hot dogs. Super simple, very inexpensive, especially now. Times are hard, so we're looking for cheaper meals, right? Very inexpensive, super tasty. Like I said, I grew up eating it. It also comes together super quickly, which is a plus because sometimes we need something to put together on a weeknight. We're tired, we're busy, we need to put dinner on the table, and this is it. So let me show you the ingredients so we can go ahead and get started. I have some hot dogs, bacon, my rice. I have a little bit of dried cilantro. I usually use fresh, but I didn't have, so I'm using dried, and some cumin. You're gonna need some garlic, onion, red pepper, some tomato paste, a packet of sazon goya with culantro and achiote. You're also going to need a little bit of corn and some chicken stock or water. As you saw, just very simple, basic ingredients that you might already have on hand. I practically always have these ingredients on hand, so to me, I know I can pull this together when I need a quick and easy dinner. So I'm going to dice my pepper and my onion so we can make the sofrito for the rice. Actually, while I have this going, I'm going to cook the bacon because I want to render out the fat a little bit more. You don't have to use bacon. Sometimes I add it, sometimes I don't. It just depends on if I have it or not. It does add great smoking flavor to the dish. And I love bacon and I love the flavor. So I'm just going to slice it into smaller pieces. I have about 3 slices of bacon here. I'm going to add it to my cold pan. Heat on medium-low, and let's let it cook so I can render some of its fat, and we're gonna cook the sofrito in the fat. So I'm going to slice my hot dogs. You can use any type of hot dogs you like. You can even add, my mom would make it with the Vienna sausages, the ones that come in the little can. Those are also a great option. Once your bacon looks something like this, you're going to go ahead and add your onion and pepper. We're gonna give it a quick mix. I think I am going to add just a tiny bit more of oil because my bacon did not render as much oil. Once you have something that looks like that, you are going to add your garlic along with your spices, which are the cilantro, cumin, and sazon goya. So add everything in to wake up those spices. Give everything a good mix it through. Add in your hot dog. Give it a good mix. I'm going to add my tomato paste. Add the corn. I'm using frozen corn. I didn't even bother defrosting it because it's gonna cook either way. Now we add in the rice. I did rinse the rice just to get rid of any excess starch that we don't need. We're going to add in your chicken stock. All we have to do at this point is season it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Give it one last quick mix. We're gonna let it come to a boil, and then we're going to bring the heat down to low. We're gonna cover it and we're gonna let it cook for about 15 to 18 minutes, just until the rice is nice and tender, and then we're done. Our rice is done and cooked for 18 minutes, and here's what you wanna do. After your rice is done, uncover it, and you want to get a fork and you want to fluff it out. That way the rice stays nice and fluffy. I like to finish it off with a little bit of parsley to make it really pretty, just like that. This is delicious with avocado. You can do maduros, you can do tostones. I have a recipe for tostones here in the video already, here in the channel already. So good, I'm telling you, it's like the best thing ever. Let's give this a try. My mouth is salivating. It's so good, so flavorful. Best way to use hot dogs. very inexpensive. It's filling. Everyone's gonna love it. I can assure you. It's just perfection. So I hope you go to my website, anitasdelightsrecipes.com, and you get the written recipe. Make this. You won't regret it. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.